Everyone thinks present simple is so simple. It's one of the first tenses students learn. But actually, it's more complex than it looks. And it's one of the tenses students make the most mistakes with. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm taking present simple on a trip, and along the way, we're going to learn exactly when and how to use it. We're at the train station. Look, there's present simple, right on time. This is present simple tense. Subject plus the base verb. I, you, we, they work. He, she, it works. Oh, and one little thing. Present simple is very particular about he, she, and it. See that S? Don't forget it. Let's check the timetable. Our train departs at 12 o'clock. Present simple loves regular actions. That's the first use. Schedules and timetables. We use present simple for fixed times. For example, the bus arrives at 8 a.m. Our flight leaves at 7:30 p.m. Lunch is at 12:30. Don't be late. Repeated and regular, again and again. Our train has departed, and we're heading to Switzerland. While we travel, let me share some facts about this country. Switzerland has 4 official languages. Swiss people vote on new laws 4 times a year. The Swiss train network covers over 5,000 kilometers. Nobody argues with facts. Present simple doesn't either. That's the second use. General truths and facts. Things that don't change, regardless of when you say them. For example, the earth moves around the sun. Time flies when you are having fun. Bees communicate through dance. True. Permanent. At the present time. I've known present simple for a while now, and I've noticed something. Present simple is very comfortable with routine. He always has coffee in the morning. He usually reads on the train. He never misses a good view. That's the third use. Routines and habits. Things you do regularly. For example, I usually brush my teeth twice a day. I often wake up late at the weekends. I never sing in the shower. Notice those words. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. These are frequency adverbs. They tell us how often something happens. And they love following present simple around. Last stop, we've arrived. And look, it seems present simple has written something in my notebook. What do you love about traveling? What do you know about the Matterhorn? What do you want to do next? Do you notice something? Love, know, want. These aren't actions. That's the fourth use, state verbs. They describe a feeling, a thought, something you have inside. Love, know, want, need, hate, think, believe, understand, remember, prefer. I understand, not I am understanding. Let me answer those questions. I love learning about other cultures. I know that the Matterhorn is the most photographed mountain in the Alps. And I want to have some lunch. That's our journey. 4 stops. 4 uses of the present simple. Let's review. Schedules and timetables. Fixed times that repeat. General truths and facts. Things that are always true. Routines and habits. Things you do regularly, with frequency adverbs. State verbs. Feelings, opinions, and senses. Not so simple after all. If you want to practice everything we covered today, full lesson plans, exercises, and reading texts, head to tataenglish.net. Link in bio. See you in the next one.